In this video, you'll learn how to request a refund on Taskrabbit. This guide explains the steps needed to successfully submit your refund request and what to expect during the process. Begin by navigating to the Taskrabbit homepage. Look for the Account option located at the top right corner of the screen. After locating it, click on Account to access your account settings. Once you are in your account settings, find the section labeled Transactions. This section will display a list of all your recent tasks and transactions. Scroll through the list to locate the specific task for which you are seeking a refund. After identifying the correct task, you will need to submit a resolutions request. To do this, navigate to the Taskrabbit Resolutions Request form page. Take note that this form must be completed and submitted within 30 days of the transaction or task related to your refund request. When you reach the resolutions request form, fill out all required fields with accurate information regarding your refund request. Ensure that you provide details about the task and the reason for your refund. Once you have completed the form, submit it by clicking the designated Submit button. After submitting your request, it is essential to wait for a confirmation email from Taskrabbit. This email will acknowledge receipt of your claim, and it may take some time for this email to arrive, so be patient during this period. While your claim is being reviewed, it is important to preserve any related evidence that may support your refund request. This can include receipts, any communication regarding the task, or proof of cancellation. Keeping this documentation organized will be beneficial if further information is required. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.